Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use moringa for weight loss. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is packed with nutrients that can support your weight management journey. It's not a magic pill, but a powerful natural supplement that, when combined with healthy habits, can make a real difference. We'll explore its benefits and practical ways to integrate it into your daily routine for optimal results. Moringa aids weight loss through several key mechanisms. It's known to help stabilize blood sugar levels, which can significantly reduce those sudden cravings for sugary snacks. Furthermore, its rich fiber content helps you feel full and satisfied for longer, naturally leading to reduced calorie intake. Plus, the natural energy boost it provides can motivate you to be more active, burning more calories. There are many simple ways to incorporate moringa into your diet. A popular method is adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of moringa powder to your morning smoothie or juice. You can also enjoy moringa tea by steeping dried leaves in hot water for about 5 to 7 minutes. For those with access to fresh leaves, they can be used like spinach in salads, soups, or even stir-fries, adding a nutritional punch. While moringa offers many benefits, it's crucial to use it wisely. Always consult your doctor or a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions. Remember, moringa works best as part of a holistic approach, so pair its use with a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Start with a small dose, perhaps 1/2 teaspoon, and observe how your body responds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.